Hey, this is Mark and Sam.
And we're going to do our biology project on vestigial structures. Vestigial structures refer to an organ or a part which is greatly reduced from the original ancestral form and is no longer functional or is of reduced or altered function. Vestigial structures provide a clue to the evolutionary history of a species because they are remnants of structures found in the ancestral species.
The pelvic bone in a whale is a good example of a vestigial structure. This says at one point the whale had a need to walk in order to survive. Over time, it no longer needed the ability to walk, so the bones were greatly reduced in size and no longer serve a purpose.
Here we have the skeletal structure of a snake. Present in the image are two hind appendages, which are no longer necessary to the snake and have become vestigial.
As human ancestors came down from the trees, having a tail wasn't useful, and perhaps it was even inconvenient. Therefore, the tail began to shrink in size until it was no longer protruding from the body.
Vestigial structures are the best evidence for evolution because they show how, at a certain point in time, these structures, whether it be a tail or legs, were pertinent to the survival of the organism. But over time, these structures were no longer necessary for the organism's survival and therefore became vestigial. The change of the organism to better suit its new environment is evolution.